Good morning. Hi.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
Morning. How are you? How are you, Humaira?
And good night.
Okay. Hi, Khadija. What are you doing? Hello. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hi.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Perfect. So, how was 26th January? What you have done yesterday? Yes, something special? Have you done something special? What?
What you did?
No.
Humera, something special you have done? No, not really. Just sitting at home, having fun, enjoying holiday?
Yes.
Yes, I did the same. High five. All right. So let's quickly see the song. Woo. All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Unmute yourself.
I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
Khadija, come on, sing.
You can show your me. Yeah.
A, B, C. Next time, want you sing with me?
Very good. Amazing. Today I'm going to teach you one more ABCD song. This though we know. Okay. There is one more ABCD song. Okay. So let's start. All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Sing. A, C,
See?
I listen.
No, ma'am is asking to say.
L-M-N-O-P. Now we are going to repeat. L-M-N-O-P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Sugar on the bread. Do sugar on the bread.
You do.
If you don't know, better go to bed. Go to bed. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Next early morning, come to me. I will teach you A, B, C. Okay. Hi, Abdul. Hi, Nora. Hi, Izan. How are you? Quickly turn on the camera. How are you? Hello, hello. I can't see you. You're not visible. Nora, not visible again. Hi, what's up? Hi, Izan. Okay. So kids, today we are going to learn 3-letter words. Okay. Now we are done with 2-letter A sound, A sound, M, A. Now we know how to write M, A. We know how to write P, A. So now
Good morning.
we are going to learn 3-letter words.
Good morning, ma'am.
Say loudly, properly.
Lizan! Why so low energy? Say good morning, ma'am. What happened? You're not well? Not feeling good? Smile. Where's your smile? Tickle, 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 tickle. Izan, smile, 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 smile. Okay. All right. Hi, Huda. Hello. Okay. Now let's do it. 3-letter words with A. S sound.
S sound. क्या है sound?
Which letter makes S sound? Letter A. So quickly put a date. It is 27. Oh my God, almost a month is over of 2022.
Come on. Right now date. Where is pencil, Izan? Izan.
Okay,
But not here.
write down the topic. 3-letter words. So first word is ma. How we write ma? Ma. Ma. And then we are going to put one more letter to it. That is letter T. Top. So ma and mat. Mat. Oh my God. Now my kids knows how to write a word. Isn't it amazing? Ma and mat. Mat. What happened, Khadija? You look so surprised. Now next. Ka. We know we know how to write cat. Now we are going to add the letter T and it will become cat. 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 Abdul. Abdul, are you writing? Hi. Huda, Nora, and Abdul, please write all the words. Oh no, what happened? Please don't cry. Animals don't like crying. Peekaboo, I see you. Now next, we know how to write bat. Bat. Going to put one more letter, that is letter T, and it will become bat. 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 Perfect. Now for a fa, add one more letter. T. Fat. Fat. Now hat. How we write hat? Ha. Add T. Hat. Hat. Bat. Bat. Rat. One more. Sat. Sat. 3-letter words. Nora, you there? Hello, Nora. Where is your notebook?
Ma'am, I done.
You're done? Okay, let me see. Perfect, Humera. Well done. Give me high five. Drawing. I like that rose in your t-shirt. Please give that t-shirt to me. Can I borrow for one day?
No.
No. Izan, Nora, Khadija.
I do it, ma'am.
I'm doing it. Abdul. Please write words. All the words on the board. Quickly. Khuda done?
Ma'am.
Khadija done? All right. Okay. Give me a high five. Good job. Toing. Okay, Zan, Huda, and Nora. Quickly. Abdul. Quick. We have to blend all the words now. Okay?
That.
Cat.
Cut. That.
Cat. Wait.
Go at a cat. Bo at a bat. Bo at a fat. Her at a hat. Per at a pat. Ro at a rat. So at a sat. Okay. Okay. Is that done, beta?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Huda, Nora, Abdul, now pay attention, everyone. We will use this thumb, this finger, index finger, and also middle finger. Okay, because now this time we are going to blend 3-letter words. Okay, so let's start. Ma, a, ma, da. Okay.
Good and that.
Very good. Very good.
Da and
thumb and fingers, okay? When you are blending. K, A, cat, cat. Abdul, where is your thumb and fingers? B,
Bat.
bat, bat. Okay? So B, A, bat. Then we are going to add T. So bat, bat. Okay? Now next. F, A, fat, fat. F, A, fat, fat. All right, Huda, please blend. Now, H, A, hat, hat. H, A, hat, hat. Now we do pat your back. So, P, A, pat, pat. P, A, pat, pat. Okay, now rat. R, A, rat, rat. R, A, rat, rat. Okay, now sat. S, A, sat, sat. S, A, sat, sat. Sat. S, A, sat, sat. Okay, understood? Yes? Okay, now I'm going to ask you one by one, okay? One word. Khadija, blend the first word.
At.
Mat. Mat.
No, not
Go
like
at.
Go at the mat.
No, बोल रहा मैम.
Wait.
Go.
No, like this, beta.
Go.
Ma,
Ma. Mat.
mat.
Yeah.
Mat. Only blend one word, beta. This one. Just blend mat. Okay? This. Okay? Now see properly how I'm doing it. Ma,
Action करो बोलते.
ma,
Action.
Ma.
And.
mat. Then add and mat. Okay? So we are going to do it slowly. First sound, second sound together, mat. Then add the third sound, and together it will be mat. Okay, Khadija? You have to practice.
Okay.
Okay, tomorrow I'm going to ask you again. Not tomorrow, on Monday.
Okay,
Humaira?
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Humaira. Blend one word.
Big one.
Her. The hat.
Good. But you have to do it with your finger and like this. Her, a, two sound together, hat. Then add the and say hat. Okay. This way you will practice at home. All right. Izan, blend.
Come on. Yeah.
Any word.
Anyone. Come on.
Mama and the mat.
Yes, but we'll go slow. Ma, a together. Ma. First you say ma. Then you add the and say mat. Okay. All right.
Ka.
Practice.
Ka.
Nora, blend ma and mat. Do. The mat. Yes. Practice this at home, okay? Yes, Sudha? Say more and mat.
Emma at
Mat. Kids,
at
two letter you have to say and then add the three sound and say
mat.
mat. Perfect. Practice. Everyone, please practice. Abdul, can you do it with me? Ma and mat. Mat. Come on. Ma and mat. Mat. All right. Everyone, please do your practice this sound. Do it properly. Use your finger and don't say ma at mat together. Go slow. Ma at. What is ma at together is making mat. Then you add and say mat. Okay? Okay, parents, is it clear?
Don't write anything.
All right. So I'm going to ask this on Monday. So you have Friday, you have Saturday, you have Sunday. You have 3 days to practice. Okay? All right? Perfect. And this is for you all. Give me high five. Come on, give me high five. High five. High five. High five. I'm super proud. All right, then thank you for today. See you on Monday and practice it well.